This is the fascinating story of how Skylark is empowering India's mining sector with its cutting-edge drone as a solution. Mining is a crucial sector for India. We mine not just coal, of which we are the second largest producers globally, but we also mine 95 different kinds of minerals. Mining alone accounts for over 10% of total industrial GDP of the nation. There are three key areas in which the Indian mining sector is transitioning to a new era of success, aided by drone intelligence. Mining operations involve dust explosions, gas leaks, rockfalls, humidity and floods, affecting the workforce safety across the country. As per government data from 2017, one mine worker was dying every 6 days in this industry. With Skylark's drone intelligence, you get to eliminate the risk of manual inspections. Drone-based digital versions of pits truly allow you to plan and optimize for safe blasting. Skylark also lets you easily automate time-consuming lease boundary and post-blast inspections, spot illegal mining, and even avoid pilferage of machinery. Mines stretch over hundreds of hectares of land. When surveyed manually, data collection usually takes weeks. A survey of 600 to 700 acres of land, which takes up to 3 weeks manually, can be done using UAVs or drones in a day, and with high precision. In fact, drone surveying and mapping is up to 40 times faster in some cases, and this means enormous savings in time and resources. And here's the best part. Skylark's solution enables drone-based data collection from the mines without you actually needing to purchase any drone. If you already happen to have a fleet of drones, Skylark can process the data and give you the results as required. Our solution works seamlessly with any drone manufacturer. We believe that worksite intelligence should be easy, fast, and accurate. Mining worksites are usually data-heavy but insight-poor. At Skylark, we use computer vision and AI-powered analytics to help you better visualize mines. Effective visualization leads to more transparency. We transform the data captured from drones into 2D and 3D maps. These ortho images and elevation maps enable accurate extraction of contours, elevation profiles, and volume measurements. Accurate data with fast collection and analysis ultimately ensures that you can do a far superior job at project management compared to the traditional ways. For example, you can track excavation and progress remotely in near real time, manage all geographically distributed assets and sites from a single source of truth, calculate stockpile volume with precision, and easily and effortlessly manage inventory from anywhere. Inspect and monitor the state of haulage roads for better and efficient transportation of goods, and even improve mine performance with automated compliance surveys and continual analysis of lease boundary integrity. Our dashboard also lets you have easy and quick access to all the accurate details such as crests and toes, road slopes, width, length, or elevation of your site. The future of mining is digital, and it is here.